So today let's start off with the equations of integration which are based on partial fraction. So let's start off with the first question for today. So that is integration of x plus 1 upon x square plus 5x plus 6 dx. So in order to solve this question, we'll use the method of partial fraction. So this equation is in the rational form. So what we'll do is we'll express this equation. So x plus 1 and I will factorize this. So you can easily factorize this x square plus 5x plus 6. So when you factorize, you will get x plus 2, x plus 3. So this is equal to, I can write this as a upon x plus 2 plus b upon x plus 3. So now we can take the LCM. So when you take LCM, what you get? X plus 1 equal to, so if you take LCM, it will get cross multiplied. You will get x plus 3 plus b x plus 2, and you'll have a common denominator both sides which gets cancelled. So this is the equation which you get. So this was your question. So let's keep this as 1 and this equation, let's keep this as 2. Now what you need to do is you need to find the values of a and b. So what I'll do is I'll put x as minus 3 once and I'll put x as minus 2. So if I put x as minus 3, this will become 0. So I'll get the value of b, right? So if I put this as minus 3, I'll get minus 3 plus 1, which is equal to a into 0 plus b into minus 1. So this is minus 2 into minus b. So I get the value of b. B is 2. Now if I put x as minus 2, I get minus 2 plus 1 equal to a into minus 2 plus 3, which is 1, and b will become 0. So this comes out as minus 1 is equal to a. So a is minus 1. So we get the values of a and b. Once that is done, so now what we do is I will, instead of integrating this, I will integrate this part. So I'll get integration of a upon, so a is minus 1 upon x plus 2 plus b is 2, 2 upon x plus 3 dx. So this is the integration which I have to do. Now this becomes very simple. So this is minus 1 upon x form, which is log, or you can say ln. So ln x plus 2 plus 2 ln x plus 3 plus c. So this is the answer. Let's start off with the second question for today. So let's say the question is this now. We have integration of x square plus 2 upon, so let's say you have x minus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. So in these questions, we just have to make sure the degree of numerator should be less than degree of denominator. So the denominator degree is 3 and the numerator degree is 2. So let's start off this one. So the only difference between this sum and the previous one is that here we have 3 factors. So what I'll do is we'll express x square plus 2 upon x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. This is equal to a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x plus 2 plus c upon x plus 3. Now I can again take LCM. This time you just have to be a little careful with LCM because here you'll have a into, you'll have two terms. So you'll have x plus 2, x plus 3. For b, you'll have two terms, x minus 1, x plus 3. And for c, you'll have x minus 1, x plus 2, and the common denominator will get cancelled. So again, you'll just have to put the values of x. So let's start off with the first one. If I put x as 1, so that this and this becomes 0, so I'll have, if I put x as 1, I'll have 3 is equal to a into, so I'll have 3 into 4. So this 3 gets cancelled, so I get the value of a. A is 1 by 4, right? Then I'll put x as minus 2. So if I do that, so minus 2 the whole square is 4, so 4 plus 2 is 6, and this gets becomes 0, so b will be b, so you have x as minus 2, so minus 3 into 1, so b I get this as minus 2. Now we'll put x is equal to minus 3. So if I put x equal to minus 3, I'll have minus 3 the whole square, which is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 is equal to, and since you're putting minus 3, we'll go to directly to c. So minus 3 minus 1 gives you minus 4, and this gives you minus 1. So I'll get the value of c. C is equal to 11 by 4. So now I got all the three values. I just have to put in this equation. So instead of integrating this part, I will integrate this part, which has ABC. So therefore, integration of, so A upon, which is 1 upon 4 upon x minus 1, plus B upon x plus 2, plus C, which is 11 by 4 upon x plus 3 dx. Now when you integrate, what you get is 1 by 4 ln x minus 1 minus 2 ln x plus 2 plus 11 by 4 ln x plus 3 plus c. So this is the answer, right? Let's take one more question of partial fraction in which we use substitution. So let's say you have been asked find integration of log x upon x into 1 plus log x into 2 plus log x dx. So let's see how we can do this. So we can clearly see in this the derivative of log x is 1 by x. So what I'll do is I'll put log x is equal to t. If I take derivative on both sides, I'll have 1 by x is equal to dt by dx. So dx upon x is equal to dt, right? So this part, see, this part is dx upon x. So what will happen is this question will become t upon, you have 1 plus t into 2 plus t dt, right? So now this becomes similar to partial fractions. So what I can do is I can just write t upon 1 plus t into 2 plus t is equal to a upon 1 plus t plus b upon 2 plus t. Now again we'll take LCM, so I'll have t is equal to a into 2 plus t plus b into 1 plus t. Now you'll put t as minus 2 and t as minus 1. So once you do this, you will get the values of a and b. So you can find the values by yourself now, as you can just put the values in the equation. So you get a as minus 1 and you will get b as 2. Then you can just integrate. So integration will have a upon, so that is minus 1 upon. So you'll have minus 1 upon 1 plus t plus b upon, that is 2 upon 2 plus t dt. Now the answer is minus ln 1 plus t plus 2 ln 2 plus t plus c. And the last part is you will have to substitute the value because t was log x. So plus 2 ln 2 plus log x plus c. So this is the answer. So these were three sums which were based on partial fractions. In the next lecture, we'll see more questions based on partial fractions.